Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tools to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into how to create a DocuSign signature in 2025. If you're tired of printing, signing, and scanning documents, DocuSign is a game changer. It's secure, fast, and widely used for everything from business contracts to personal agreements. By the end of this video, you'll have your own digital signature set up and ready to go. Let's jump right in. First things first, head over to the DocuSign website. If you don't have an account yet, click on the Sign Up button. It's free and straightforward. You'll need to provide your email, create a password, and verify your details. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Profile or Signature section. This is where the magic happens. Next, look for the option to create a signature. DocuSign gives you a few ways to do this. You can draw your signature using your mouse or touchscreen, type in your name with a stylish font, or even upload an image of your handwritten signature. I recommend drawing it for a personal touch. Just click the Draw tool and sign away. Make sure it looks good on different devices. After you've created your signature, hit Save or Apply. DocuSign will store it securely in your account, linked to your profile for easy access. Now, to use it, go to a document you want to sign. Either upload your own or start a new one in DocuSign. Simply drag and drop your signature into the right spot, add any other details like dates or initials, and send it off. One quick tip. Always double-check your document before sending to avoid any errors, and use the preview feature. That's it, you're all set. Creating a DocuSign signature not only saves time but also adds a layer of security with encryption and authentication. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech tutorials, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.